In this guide, I'll walk you through on how to generate QR code for free with AI. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. All right, the first step you need to take is to open your web browser. You need a web browser for this, and I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit freeaiden.com. All right, you can see that freeaiden.com. Okay. All right, you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. So scroll down, and when you get to this Power Tools section, you will see generate QR code generator. All right, that's what you need to use here. You don't need to sign up on this platform, just use free of charge. All right, and the good thing about QR code is that it saves your audience or people the stress of typing a web link. Once they scan the code, they can get to any link you wanted to get to, maybe your YouTube channel or your website or any platform that exists on the web. All right, that is the good side of QR code. Why QR code is used in some cases instead of just leaving the web link bare for people to go and type and visit. So I'll click on this QR, generate QR. All right, this ad shows up here because it's free of charge. So click on close. All right, so you're taken to this place. You say enter text or URL. Okay, so you can enter text, you can enter URL, but in most cases, URL is used. What they mean by URL is just a web link. It can be a website, maybe google.com or outlook.com or office.com, any link at all. All right, so here I want to enter the link to my YouTube channel on the assumption that I want people, when I design a polo, I have the QR code. Once people use the camera and scan that QR code, they'll be taken to my YouTube channel straight, okay, instead of typing the long link. So I have it here, so I'll go and copy it. All right, Control C to copy it. Then I'll get back to the web page. Then here, I will click here, Control V to paste it. You can see this is my web link. So people will get to it once they scan this QR code at the end. So here I say QR code color. You can select a color of your choice here by clicking here, but I'm okay with what I have here. You can, this one background color is white. You can click here and select a different background color, but I'm okay with how this looks like. All right, so here is the okay, here you have upload logo optional. If you want to upload the logo of your company or your website, click on this. All right, and then choose the logo and add. But I don't want that because once I take this action, the thing will come and be at the center of this QR code, and I don't like that place. So that's why I'm not adding any website logo or company logo here. All right, so here the format is in PNG, choosing by default. If you want something different, click here and select JPEG or PDF. But I think I like JPEG, so I'll go with this. All right, so with this setup here, done setting up your QR code, the next step here is to download it. So click on download button. So this will be downloaded into my PC. It's in the downloads folder. So let's go and check it out. So I'll click on File Explorer and then I'll click on downloads and look at it here. All right, so if I double click on this, you will see it will open. Okay, so it has opened fully. This is the QR code. So let me get to my phone. I want to scan this with my iPhone camera to know if I'll be taken to the website. All right, and if that works, that means it's cool, it's right, it works. So let's get to it. So I am on my iPhone, so let me tap on the camera and I'm facing it on my PC. You can see Chrome. I'll tap on this Chrome, and this has taken me to my YouTube channel homepage, and it works. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have a questions to ask in the comment section. And hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.